As you use JavaScript, you're going to be using variables a lot. So what is a variable? You can think of it as a kind of container that holds a value. And the value can be changed or it can stay the same. So we can do something like we can put one value into it, and later we could say, oh, that's not the one I want another one. And when we console log the variable name, car, we get its value. So when you're using a variable, whatever its value is at the time is what you're going to get. And as I said, that might be changed, right? Let's see. Right, so console log again, and we get the current value. The old value is lost and gone forever. Now, one thing that you'll see is that if you say let car equal something again, you're going to get an error. And that is because the first time that we used the variable named car, which we just made up now, we had to use a keyword such as let. But every time you use that variable after that, you never use let again because that variable has been made now, it already exists. Okay, so what other kinds of things can we do? We can have a new variable and we can have it equal a number. And if we console log it, let's see, number, we'll see that we get it back. But another thing is that if we put an equation or an expression or a statement into that variable, right? We associate something that can be evaluated and we put it into that variable. So I'm going to say 10 plus 3, for example. The result comes back as soon as we've typed it in, but also if we console log it, that's the only thing we can get back, 13. We'll never see the expression, we'll never see 10 plus 3 again once we've put it in. So if something on the right side of the equal sign can be evaluated down, it will be, and that value is what's stored inside the variable. New one. We had car before. Let's say cars. Cars equal 10. I have so many cars. And let bicycles equal 5. We can, in fact, add those together. And we could even do it like while we're in the console. Okay, using the name of the variable. So whatever is in the variable is what's going to be added. And that's what's going to be returned to us, right? The 10 and the 15 have been associated with the variable cars, variable bicycles. So if we add cars and bicycles together, what we get is the values that they contain.